You don't like waffles?
It's not a matter of like. I'm Humphrey, so syrup is a food.
Syrup. Syrup.
I'm Humphrey, so syrup is a food.
To tell him, but now with your father involved, William and Rufus do not exactly get along.
Nothing like a grunge or a love triangle.
Triangle. Triangle.
Nothing like a grunge or a love triangle.
Dorota, why did I go to the trouble of putting together an elegant brunch and inviting a dozen of Manhattan's most eligible bachelors?
Bachelor. Bachelor.
Inviting a dozen of Manhattan's most eligible bachelors.
Go again and Chuck Bass thing of past.
But Miss Blair not yet grieve properly.
Grieve. Grieve.
But Miss Blair not yet grieve properly.
Dorota, you really need to stop buying your prenatal vitamins over the internet.
For this, I postpone honeymoon.
Honeymoon. Honeymoon.
For this, I postpone honeymoon. For this, I postpone honeymoon.
Will you toss out that box of junk?
Junk. Junk.
Will you toss out that box of junk?
There's an outlet by the bed.
Outlet. Outlet.
There's an outlet by the bed.
Oh, maybe now you'll actually have a chance.
Don't worry. The odds of me remembering this conversation is slim.
Slim. Slim.
Sorry. The odds of me remembering this conversation is slim. This would be done easier with Serena out of the picture. Now all you need is something to make her suspicious.
Suspicious. Suspicious.
Now all you need is something to make her suspicious.
Lily told me that she renovated this place again.
Renovate. Renovate.
Lily told me that she renovated this place again.
We regret to inform you that due to the high volume of qualified applicants,
Applicant. Applicant.
we inform you that due to the high volume of qualified applicants.
You are?
Yeah, sure. You know, and they also wish me success in my future endeavor.
Endeavor. Endeavor.
Sure, you know, and they also wish me success in my future endeavor.
Did you send the invitations by carrier pigeon?
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Did you send the invitations by carrier pigeon? Did you send the invitations by carrier pigeon? Is the elevator broken? A meteor headed for Earth?
Meteor. Meteor.
Is the elevator broken? A meteor headed for Earth?
Prep the OR, kiddies. Looks like Jenny Humphrey is scrubbing.
Scrub. Scrub.
Looks like Jenny Humphrey is scrubbing.
And like you have nothing to do with the fact that no one showed up. That you didn't put a dating fatwa on me. We're over, Chuck.
Clench. Clench.
A dating fatwa on me. We're over, Chuck.
And suddenly I found myself caught in the middle of a civil war in the Congo.
When was that?
Well, that was,
Hurricane. Hurricane.
When was that?
For.
You're right, I shouldn't presume.
Presume. Presume.
You're right, I shouldn't presume. You're right, I shouldn't presume to even know you.
Golf. Golf.
Know you.
What is that?
I can't watch you read, so I'm gonna
Dorm. Dorm.
watch you read, so I'm gonna... I can't watch you read, so I'm gonna head back to the dorms. But why don't we...
Skip. Skip.
Back to the dorms. But why don't we...
What was the plan? So I took a post in Tibet. I tried to commute while I got settled in.
Commute from Tibet.
Commute. Commute.
I got settled in.
Commute from Tibet.
It didn't take long before she,
Wanted a divorce, yeah.
You know, I couldn't blame her for needing consistency in her life. In your lives.
Consistency. Consistency.
You know, I couldn't blame her for needing consistency in her life. In your lives.
This is Willa. Leave me a message.
Willa, you need to call your father and have...
Undo. Undo.
Willa, you need to call your father and have...
You know what? Actually, I'm sorry. There is someone at that party that I need to talk to.
Wonderful. Now I'll need a disguise.
Disguise. Disguise.
Now I'll need a disguise.
For all these years, you can't see through one of my smoke screens. I'm not asking for...
Forgiveness. Forgiveness.
I'm not asking for... When the two of you christened the Campbell apartment. And honestly...
Honestly. Honestly.
And honestly...
No, but these drinks are for Nate and Chuck.
What are you doing with Nate and Chuck?
Well, Nate's my friend, and Chuck's total...
Harmless. Harmless.
Chuck.
Well, Nate's my friend, and Chuck's total... Right now.
It's not necessarily a bad thing. I'm so over this party. Let's just go back to the swing at him.
Hammer. Hammer.
Over this party. Let's just go back to the swing at him.
Spotted. Nate Archibald suffering from a broken heart. Too bad he doesn't realize Jenny's oath is less hip.
Oath. Oath.
Realize Jenny's oath is less hip.
I think he attends that many classes.
Blair, do you want to make that guy who showed up jealous or what?
Excuse me.
Jealous. Jealous.
Who showed up jealous or what?
Excuse me.
Prove to him you're over him, ready to move on. Just have to take the plunge. Show him the...
Plunge. Plunge.
Let's take the plunge. Show him the...
You know, today I was planning on giving you a big speech on regret.
Regret. Regret.
On giving you a big speech on regret. I've followed you from afar. Glimpsed a photo here and there.
Glimpse. Glimpse.
A photo here and there.
Know that. I even tried to apologize.
What are you talking about?
The night of Dorota's...
Wed. Wed.
About...
The night of Dorota's...
Saying, love is like head wound. It make you dizzy. You think you...
Dizzy. Dizzy.
It make you dizzy. You think you...
Serena, what's going on?
To revive a struggling relationship.
Revive. Revive.
To revive a struggling relationship, they can end just as quickly with a single misstep.
Hey, Vanessa. It's me.
Fair. Fair.